Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely.
Mum.
That's wonderful. Can you just hold that for us?
Mum. Big smiles, please. Oh, we've got another car.
Please.
Thank you.
We're open for photos.
This way.
Hugo! Oh, I got a full length.
I got full length.
I've got a full length for you, right in the bloody way. I can't consider.
Oh well.
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3, one at a time.
I don't know him.
Are you going to give the going in?
I don't know. You might. I don't know. I didn't know. I better check. If they don't run. Nah, not really. The gate can't move. The gate can't go away. Got the shreds as well.
It's a bit of colour.
Entrance, aren't it? Oh, shit, poser. Come on.
Isabel? Isabel, can you just let me do a picture, please? That's a bit.
Can you come romantic. Very romantic.
How many guests were in there?
I couldn't tell you.
Could you just tell us about the ceremony?
It was wonderful. It was wonderful.
How many guests were there?
Maybe 20?
Come on, Eddie. Isabel.
More intense. How was the ceremony?
Lovely.
Can you stop for a picture?
In the gateway?
Go through the gateway. Thanks very much. In the gateway and then they fucked Who are you?
Oh, my love, you're not lovely, dear.
Who are you?
That's your sister.
No. Thank you. Thanks.
Ooh, another back of the head. Don't know, just yeah, exactly. That's all we're going to get, I think. It must be Piers Brosnan. Don't know who she is, man. Hello. Hello. Who are you?
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Ooh, let's put it this way.
Yeah, can we just do a picture? You both together, please, both together.
In the gateway.
In the gateway. In the gateway.
Thank you.
Together. Just turn around, please, sir. There's more.
Thank you. Thank you ever so much.
Bill. I don't think he needs that somehow.
No, it's okay. Oh, they are.
And again, please.
Do we have one in the gateway, please? Excuse me, sir. Would you turn towards us? Thank you.
Hello. Can we do a picture in the gate? Excuse me. Thank you. Hello.
You're a bit confused, huh? Why don't you just fucking turn around? I don't know who you.
Can we do a picture of you, bud?
Michael, can we get a picture in the gateway, please, Michael, when the car's gone? Thanks very much. Well, just here.
Just there, together.
In the gateway. Just here.
Gateway. Come on, Chad, make this.
Thank you.
Thank you. That needs to be so rude, Oh, concept done. I wouldn't put the money on a sports shop.
Hello. Just here on the grass. Just turn around for us.
Just turn around.
Oh, please, just a quick picture, please, ladies.
People are going in.
Sorry.
It's not Michael Parkin. Once it's empty, they are now. Okay, then.
I'm not bleeding the head.
Excuse me.
Give a picture, please. Excuse me. Ladies, can we do a picture?
In the gateway. In the gateway.
Just wait for the car to move.
Thank you.
Just wait for the car to move.
Oh,
Jerry,
wait for the car. That's it. That's it.
both together, ladies. Lovely.
Lovely.
Thank you. Super, thank you.
Where's the baby?
Sir?
He's not biting. Be more forceful, remember? What, can? Try manual, mate. Do it. Oh, there's one.
Mr. Frost, David. Mr. Frost.
That's
That's
wonderful.
lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh no, I'll take that back.
That's Homer.
He doesn't know, he's guessing. Maybe one day, mate. And
Further up, a lot more.
Oh, that's lovely. Together.
I'm standing all studying it, but should we wait till 9 o'clock and do the package? What's the Oh, well, fine. I'll run the silly thing after. But, yeah, anyway, there's not...
who is she? Too old.
No.
Leave that one you chewed in, haven't they?
Yes.
No.
Mum! Mum!
Can we go? Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's wonderful. Can you just hold that for us?
Mum!
Mum.
So not quite. Don't think it's quite will work. I'm not
Looks like it.
She's ancient.
That's Mystic Meg, isn't it?
You will win the lottery.
Oh, mate. Come down, there's a spot beside me.
Emirates Mark.
Have it?
Take.
But like never. I will. Oh, get out of the way, mate.
Sorry, Richard, I have to mark it out.
No, mate, I'm talking about the
Oh, leather up.
Got it.
I know it's
Want some of this?
I'm waiting for a bit.
He's like, hello. It's really about what's in it.
I will.
Oh, and away from the cigarette pack.
Oh, no.
Are they there?
Isabel just said Jemima and Imran are inside.
She doesn't know, she shook her head.
Isabel Goldsmith. Everyone asked her.
Can we do a picture of you both together, please? Just wait till the car goes. Thank you.
Can we get the car away?
No, stay there, please. Just together.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Why not?
A picture in the gate, please. A picture in the gate. Please. In the gate. Can you move the car?
We have to get the car away.
Here we go. This way, please.
Big smiles, please. Oh, we've got another car.
This way, please. Thank you.
I think it's all done and dusted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell John to